To capitalize on this market, you must know the following things: when storms hit, how to scout them, how to select the right one to work, and how to mobilize your team. My company, Storm Ventures Group, trains many retail contractors across North America and even some recently in Europe and Australia how to go after that insurance restoration work right in their backyard without ever chasing the storm. The exponential growth in technology like new satellites, Google Earth, and a host of other weather reporting startups has made scouting storms much easier. There's even some new hail reports that offer a cool feature that let you superimpose that hail swath right over the streets and homes using Google Earth. You can actually see the size of hail that hit, the size of the home or property, and much, much more. You can then literally extrapolate potential market opportunity right from your smartphone.
And this house was hit of 2016. They were also hit in 2011. So
we're seeing our past data.
Yeah, so we're seeing all the past storms that have hit, and that can come in handy again, finding those honey holes.
Boom. Now what we can do, guys, is, you remember yesterday we orientated ourselves to the grid?
Sure.
Now we can sit here and tag these customers. I'm gonna go ahead and write that I signed this customer so my other sales guys don't go to this customer.
Hit the little expand button at the bottom next to the name. It'll open up a full view with all the notes and everything.
You need to make immediate preparation to get on that plane or drive a few hours across state, get out and see the storm for yourself. Leaders need to get out and scout. Do a little old school scouting in addition to relying on storm reporting technology and simply watching what everyone else is doing. Keep in mind, the most desperate storm chasers are literally running to that first storm of the season in late March or early April because they're broke. Sometimes it's better to pass and wait on a second one or even a third one, letting the competition thin out a bit. Remember, there'll always be more storms. We have to determine the total market opportunity based on the IBR before we make the decision to mobilize to a new storm. Get a feel for the property owners. Are they homeowners or renters? Do they care about their house? What type of roofing systems do they have? Were those roofing systems affected by the storm? Are a high proportion of them going to want to do the work? If you're not seeing 80%, you may have selected the wrong storm to mobilize to. Salespeople that have low buy ratios may need training as to what real damage is, or better training on the insurance adjustment process.
These are all 12 to 15-year-old roofs. Not one of them have been replaced that I can see that I've seen so far out of 400 homes.
We're driving through and we're mapping out which homes we want to target first based on age. You can actually see some missing shakes and missing ridge. That's somewhere between 15 to 20 years of age. And so those are going to require less splits and less damage to actually determine full replacement.